t-shirts and 2 shirts and 1 UV proof jacket and 1 skirt just in case the weather gets really warm, and 2 pair of pants and 2 pair of body warmers because the first few days of the trip will be really cold. So now I will show you how I fold my t-shirt. So just fold it like this first. And just roll it up. My backpack. And there's very nice feature about this UV jacket. I can put it in the small bag, so it's very easy to carry. So I'll just show you how I do it. So this jacket can be really useful when the weather is warm and the UV in Europe is really strong, so I need a really thin light jacket to protect myself. Now this jacket is in this small bag. It's really compact and really convenient. If I run out of space in my backpack, I can even tie it up here. This is my way to save space. Yeah, but I do think that I have space in here, so I will now do it for this trip. Just to show you how you can save space. And I also have a very light sleeping bag. Should I show it to you how big it can be? So if I open it, this is how it looks like. It's really light and thin and also very comfortable. It's very useful because I have very sensitive skin, so I have to make sure that the bed sheet and everything in the hotel will be clean. So for me to stay in a hotel or hostel worry-free would be that I carry this sleeping bag and I can still use the bed sheet and blankets in the hotel. I just need to sleep in this sleeping bag, and I would definitely not have skin allergy. This is how compact it is. My toiletry bag. Yep, everything went into this backpack except for my winter jacket. really hate to take this jacket, but the weather in San Diego is like around 10 degrees, so I have to take it. So my way to carry a winter jacket would be I use this clip. And I clip my jacket. Clip my jacket here. Now I don't need any suitcase, I can just carry this backpack. And once I reach my destination, I will just detach my jacket and wear it, and then I will just have this backpack. This is very convenient to travel. And this is how I will look like. Traveling. Okay, I just want to show you a few things that's really convenient for traveling. Yeah, first one, the slippers. So these are really portable because you can just do this, and then when you want to carry it in your backpack. So the next thing I want to show is my portable travel pillow for the flights. You can fold it up in a small pouch like this, and then there is one place to blow air inside, and I'll just blow air inside. Now within like 10 seconds I was able to blow enough air inside the pillow, so now this is how it looks like. To let air out, just need to press a little bit. Yep, now you can fold it. Okay, a few other things. I want to show my toiletry bag. This is really useful bag. There's a side pocket here. Once it's opened, this can be hooked somewhere in the washroom. And I want to show you a really convenient face wash. It's actually really convenient because each time you can just use one capsule, and there's powder inside, so you don't have to worry about carrying a liquid format face wash with you on flights. And makeup removing sheet. So this is like wet tissue. You can just use one each time. It's really convenient. It's disposable. Yeah, that's what I want to show.